Recently, it was reported that Samsung is working on a premium smartphone which is likely to be called the Galaxy A9 Star. Now, a poster about the launch of the upcoming smartphone has surfaced online. Welcome back to QatNip, and come on, let's learn together. Spotted by /leaks first, the poster reveals that Samsung will launch its new smartphone on June 7th. As reported by /leaks, it is expected that the company might unveil two smartphones at the event. The poster leaked online mentions the launch of Galaxy A9 Star and Star Lite smartphones. Both the smartphones are likely to come with almost same design aesthetics. However, the Lite version of the A9 is said to come with toned down specifications and features. Some days back, an alleged hands-on video of the yet to be launched Galaxy A9 Star also surfaced online. The device in the video looked like a taller and wider version of the company's flagship smartphone, the Galaxy S9 Plus. The front of the smartphone consists of an edge-to-edge display with no notch. The back houses a dual rear camera setup, and as the rumors suggest, the smartphone is said to have 24 megapixel and a 16 megapixel sensor duo for the rear cameras. The smartphone is expected to feature a 6.28-inch AMOLED display with an effective resolution of 2220 x 1080 pixels and hence an effective aspect ratio of 18.5:9. The device is said to come with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of onboard storage, which can be expanded further by inserting a microSD card. The smartphone is said to come with a 24 megapixel front shooter and to be backed by a 3700 mAh battery. The device is expected to run Android 8.0 Oreo right out of the box. Recently, a report surfaced online suggesting that Samsung is working on the in-display fingerprint sensor technology, and the company is planning to introduce the feature in its next year's flagship smartphone, the Galaxy S10. According to the report by ET News, a Korean news publication, Samsung is planning to incorporate the in-display fingerprint sensor in the Galaxy S10. Earlier, it was reported that Samsung could bring this technology in the S9, but the company dropped it as the technology was in its nascent stage at that time, as stated by the company itself. So that's it for this video, and we hope you liked it. A million thanks to our dear subscriber family for your continuous love and support, and until next time, stay tuned for more.